Ethereum collided with a dime in December 2018, and the entire world detonated, driving some to mark Ethereum's Ether a phony coin. Under 3 years after the fact, in 2021, notwithstanding wintering a pandemic, ETH has soared through different all-time highs in under a year, exchanging from only $745 in January 2021 to a record-breaking high of $4,800 in November. Once in a while mistook for Ethereum cost expectation or Ethereum cost forecast. Will Ethereum reach $10,000? That is left not entirely settled. ETH's great 500% appreciation in such a brief period has crypto specialists and crypto lovers wetting themselves with different cost expectations. Beside ETH's imaginatively planned use cases, past ICOs, and tokenomics, Ethereum's huge leap in 2021 can be principally credited to Ethereum's organization's different mechanical advancement, new associations, and flexibility in supporting several dApps on its foundation. According to a specialized perspective, there are many various ways ETH could work out before long. The ongoing negative development probably won't have the option to fall beneath the 38.2 week-after-week lie level of $3,600 minus $3,800, which as of now has begun going about as help since the finish of October. It was retested last week, with another retest on its way after some short day-to-day purchases. In all likelihood, in the event that the help doesn't hold, it very well may have the option to break underneath the $3,500 to test the $3,000 divided by $2,800 support level, which conjunctions with the 61.8 lie level on the month. And since December will nearly be getting gathered together, it will be an essential time for the bulls to get in again to start the principal bull leg, except if the most exceedingly awful occurs. That is the point at which we can see ETH nose-diving back again to the $1,700 support that has proactively been tried multiple times, which is impossible. Ethereum has been showing a negative pattern since the final part alongside the remainder of the digital currencies trapped in a bear market, following the long-expected Ethereum 2.0 move up to the blockchain. The cost of ETH lost 10% and proceeded with its sideways exchanging design. Ethereum's market cap is more than $194 billion, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is $25.5 billion. At present, the overall feeling in the market is dread, and ETH is exchanging at around $1,300, albeit the market is right now in a bear pattern. Support at the $900 level could be urgent for the following couple of weeks. As indicated by certain allies, the selling pressure isn't as high at the present time, which could make the cost decline further. On the off chance that the cost of Ethereum goes underneath $900, it could drop to $500 inside the following several months. This is on the grounds that the specialized variables are not for an inversion right now. In a new Forbes video, a board of crypto specialists including Sagi Bakshi and Lex Sokolin foresee that ETH could ascend as high as $19,842 by 2025. Ethereum cost is set to enter the last and most unstable 7-day stretch of the year. It very well may be the most broadly executed digital money because of its extending utility in the commercial center. These specialists refer to a variety of moves up to the organization in 2021 that will lessen the right now significant expense of exchanges and radically increment utility. One master on the board, Sarah Bergstrand, assessed ETH could reach $100,000 by 2025. The greatest update being peered toward by financial backers is EIP 1559, which will redesign the exchange charge framework utilized by Ethereum. In this way, rather than sending charges to diggers who complete undertakings on the organization, clients will actually want to send the expense to the actual organization, which will annihilate the expense, lessening generally speaking stock and hence expanding the money's worth. Remarkably, establishments are expanding their Ethereum possessions to be filled into the development of cutting-edge web applications as of now being created on the Ethereum blockchain. With the ever-evolving development in the reception and usage of NFTs and decentralized finance applications, they could uphold Ethereum to acquire cost from now on. The digital currency market, as a general rule, got a lift from rising gas costs on October 29. Gas, otherwise called Ether, is the computational asset that the Ethereum network necessitates to work with exchanges. Due to this development, Delphi investigators suspect Ethereum gas seems as though it is going to make a run higher, which could support practically completely decentralized finance tokens. Since it has been demonstrated over the long run by principal examiners that monetary premium in Ether will in general continue right after Bitcoin rallies since it is the second biggest cryptographic money. This rapidly draws the consideration of the beginner financial backer. Subsequent to hitting $1,700, it remembered to the obvious interest zone in the wake of moderating the liquidity to start the climbing channel pattern of HHs and LLs. The following huge high after $1,700 was the $1,838 sticker cost. After this, there was a 6-day solidification, likewise showing the approaching of a significant move. For the solidification to keep going up to 6 days, it shows that the vendors battled the purchasers hard. Yet the purchasers persevered through all that they could to drive the value higher to $2,040. The following thing that happened to ETH in the wake of hitting $2,040 was a shock to certain examiners who didn't see it coming. The main surprising dump of the year happened right away, with the cost tumbling from $2,040 to $1,290, about a $750 drop. At the point when it broke the recently made climbing channel, it remembered back to the non-existent trend line, offering out one more opportunity to the people who were as yet wary about the offer to get in the stream that would later plunge down to $1,290. P.S. ETH hit this low on February's most recent 2 days. Walk sent off with a bullish move that began with a growing triangle design energizing up to make another ATH, skipping off $4,375, which subsequently prompted one more wonderful dump for the year on May 12. A value tumble to around $1,727, making 3 reliable solid help, which ultimately held to proceed with the potential gain move till Aug 1, with the cost at $2,700 consequently denoting the finish of the primary portion of the year. Truth be told, the 4H divided by 1H bullish boss may be meaning a continuation of the bullish move, which may ultimately get through the $4,700 ETH all through $5,000. Up until this point, ETH has kept up with its bullish design week by week and every day starting from the start of the year. In 2021 Q2, ETH has been making a retracement move, which it as a rule does toward the finish of an outstanding period, disregarding specialized examination. Yet the ongoing retracement might be showing that purchasers are venturing on a mission to unwind for the year in the wake of causing an adequate number of disturbances in the market to build up speed to begin another bullish excursion. This is on the grounds that, actually, taking into account the purchasing volume and the RSI exchanging over 69 for as far back as weeks, it doesn't appear as though the purchasers were strongly pushed out of the market or that they are at last out of play. Essentially, Ethereum news has likewise been driven by the utilization of savvy contracts in DeFi and NFTs. As per a report by Chainalysis in September, it was viewed that as focal, Northern, and Western Europe has the world's greatest digital currency economy, and most of huge institutional-sized moves in the locale went to DeFi stages in the beyond a year. Thus, the greater part of those huge institutional exchanges were made in Ether and wrapped Ethereum, an ERC20 token regularly utilized in DeFi conventions. Simultaneously, exchanging action the NFT space spiked in the second from last quarter of this current year and proceeded with its bullish force in October. Decentralized applications enlisted multiple million day-to-day novel dynamic wallets interestingly during October, which was up by 21% contrasted in the earlier month, and 626% year-on-year from October 2020 as per DApp Radar. The NFT space saw $4.2 billion in exchanging volume October